Dear friends, in class 7 we are studying 9th chapter rational numbers, and in exercise 9.2 we have third question. Find the product of. First is 9 upon 2 multiplied by minus 7 upon 4. We have already studied. When we take the product of the rational numbers, we multiply numerator to the numerator and denominator to the denominator. So this is equal to 9 sevens are 63 and 4 twos are 8. This plus into minus remains minus. Please note, they don't have any common factor. So this is the standard form of the rational number. Next is 9 threes are 27. Positive into negative is negative upon 10. This 9 upon 1 can be written as 9 upon 1, negative 9 upon 1. So 10 into 1 will be 10. So this itself is the answer, minus 27 upon 10. Please note, negative sign is at the numerator and denominator both have only 1 as a common factor. Next is minus 6 into 9. So 6 nines are 54 and negative sign. Then at the denominator we have 5 11s are 55. So 54 upon 55, they have only 1 as a common factor. So this itself is the answer. Next is 3 twos are 6. Positive into negative is negative upon 7 threes are 35. Please note, again they don't have any common factor other than 1. Hence this itself is the standard form of the rational number. Next, fifth is 3 into 2. 3 twos are 6 and 11 fives are 55. So 6 upon 55 itself is the answer. They don't have any common factor. Now next, here this is equal to numerator into numerator is 3 fives are 15. Positive into negative is negative. At the denominator 5 threes are 15 and negative into positive is negative. Please note, negative 15 upon negative 15 is reducible. If you divide both numerator and denominator by 15, negative 15, you will get this as 1 upon 1, that is equal to 1 itself. So 1 is the answer of the product. Dear friends, we have next fourth question. This question is related to division. Find the value of negative 4 divided by 2 upon 3. So we have already studied. Division means multiplication by a reciprocal of the second fraction. So here this is equal to negative 4 multiplied by, we have to take the reciprocal of the second rational number, that is this will be 3 upon 2. So answer is 4 3s are 12, negative 12 upon 2. Please note, it is reducible. Both numerator and denominator, if divided by 2, we will get this as negative 6. Or it can be done other way. Instead of doing multiplication first, you can do the division. 4 divided by 2 is 2. This can be written as negative 2 into 3, that is equal to negative 6. So I feel that if you divide first, that will be more better. The reason is the numbers are reduced and hence probability of making mistake decreases. So here next question is negative 3 upon 5. Negative 3 upon 5 multiplied by, this is 2 upon 1. Please note, hidden one denominator exists to every integer. So 2 upon 1 will become 1 upon 2. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. Hence, if you do the multiplication, you will get 3 ones are 3, negative 3 upon 5 twos are 10. Now next question is negative 4 upon 5. Negative 4 upon 5 divided by negative 3. So this will be multiplied by negative 1 upon 3. So this is equal to, please note, negative into negative is positive. 4 ones are 4 and 5 threes are 15. There is no need to give the positive sign. When you don't write, it means it is considered as a positive. Then next question is 1 upon 8. Negative 1 upon 8 multiplied by 4 upon 3. Please note, numerator and denominator are reducible. So if numerator and denominator both are divided by 4, we will get this as 1 upon 2, because 8 is divided by 4 and 4 is also divided by 4. So we will get 1 upon 3. Please note, I have reduced the numerator and denominator by dividing by the same number. So this is equal to minus 1 upon 6. Otherwise, it can be solved regularly. That is 4 ones are 4, negative 4, 8 threes are 24. Please note, this fraction is reducible. Both are factors of 4. So divide numerator and denominator by 4. You will get this is equal to minus 1 upon 6. Please note, we get the same answer. So I prefer this method. The reason is we decrease the number. If numerator and denominator are reduced, the numbers are reduced, and so the probability of making the mistake decreases. Now next is negative 2 upon 13 divided by 1 upon 7. So it will be multiplied by 7 upon 1. So this is equal to 7 2s are 14 upon 3 1s are 3. Please note, negative sign exists. So negative into positive is negative. Now next is negative 7 upon 12 divided by negative 2 upon 13. So this will be multiplied by negative 13 upon 2. 2 upon 13 it was, so it will be 13 upon 2. Now this is equal to, please note, this is equal to 13 sevens are 91 and 12 twos are 24. Please note, negative into negative is positive. Even if you don't write, it is considered as positive. So the answer is 91 upon 24. Then next answer is 3 upon 13. Next question is 3 upon 13 divided by negative 4 upon 65. So this will be multiplied by negative 65 upon 4. You can take 4 negative sign at the bottom also, but standard way of writing is we always write the negative sign at the numerator. So this becomes 13 ones are 13 and 13 fives are 65. So numerator and denominator both can be divided by 13. So we will get 3 upon 1 multiplied by negative 5 upon 4. Please note, I have divided numerator and denominator both by 5. So we can divide numerator and denominator both by same number. So this is equal to negative 15 upon 4. Otherwise, you can do the multiplication of this. You will get 5 threes are 15, 1 carries, 3 sixes are 18 plus 1 17. Negative 175 upon 13 fours are 52. Please note, this 175 upon 50 is 3 5s are 15, 1 carries, 3 6 are 18 plus 190. Sorry, I made a mistake. 195. Now please note, both numerator and denominator are divisible by 13. So you will get the answer. 13 1s are 13, 13 5s are 65 upon 13 4s are 52. So same answer we are getting. Please note. Dear friends, while making YouTube videos, I have to teach faster, which is not possible in classes. So see that you watch the videos again and again. Then only you will be able to understand certain concepts clearly.